guys, my name is Ranajan. Today we're going to be talking about 3 different books if you are new in the reading field. The first book we're going to be considering is Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, which was written and published in 1988. This book's genres are a lot, which is fiction, adventure and psychology. Book begins with some poor guy who lives in Santiago with his own problems, and eventually he decides to find the hidden treasure which was historical in Egypt. Along the way, he learns important life lessons. The reason why I'm recommending this book to read to you guys has only one reason. This reason is motivation. This book gives you great motivation to chase your dreams, and you don't have to give up no matter what. The second book we're going to be talking about is Atomic Habits by James Clear, which was published in 2018. These book genres are self-improvement and psychology. This book explains how small things can lead to big success over the time. This book exactly gives you some kind of strategies to break bad habits and improve the good ones. The reason why I'm advising to you guys to read this book is for motivation and the understanding of the time management. The last and the third book we're going to be talking about is Martian by Andy Weir, which was published in 2011. This book includes 2 types of genres. The first one is science fiction, the second one is adventure. Book tells a story about difficulties one astronaut named Mark. He faces a lot of difficulties, challenges after he lost his ways on the planet Mars. After his crew decides to believe that he's already dead, he himself decides to live with difficulties and with low supplies. The reason why I'm recommending this book to you guys is because it's storytelling and the problem solving. This book can help you to improve your problem solving skills and improve your motivation about not giving up. These are the 3 books I was going to share with you guys. I hope you like it. Like and comment to this video. Subscribe to our channel to not to miss our next video about books. Hello guys, my name is Ranajan. Today we're going to be talking about 3 different books for beginners for reading, which are self-improvement and psychology. Fuck! The third book we're going to be considering is Martian by the Andy Weir in 2011. This book was published the year this book was published. Are you recording me, bro?
Yes.
One astronaut. And like the video in order to not